okay. All right. So this is the circle that actually appears in the middle of the whole formation. And when you go right up to it, and this is again, it's been untrammeled, you can see nobody has been here. This crop circle doesn't have any honesty box, there's no money to be deposited anywhere. But come closer now and look at this amazingly perfect pattern in which actually crops have been taken out of the middle completely. You have nothing but bare soil. The crops seem to have actually been removed from the soil completely to form this dot in the middle. And in this case, obviously because the tightness of the circle has to be so well done, you do see some evidence of bent growth nodes, like for example this growth node looks to be bent. But here you're actually seeing the crop itself is so dry that it's actually been bent by the energy force. Here's another example of a bent growth node. In this case, yeah, let's pull out this particular piece right here. You can actually see the bending that's been done. This growth node is heated and bent. You see evidence of it being heated. The color has changed. This growth node is bent. This is one of the bends that was created by the circle maker to kind of create it into this vortex shape. And this is just one of many examples of all the bending that created this pattern in the middle. And then you can actually see how over here, for example, the flowing pattern of the crop lay then transitions into a perfect circle, and the perfect circle is clearly visible from the air. All the way around, you're getting that perfect circle. And then you can see here in the middle where it comes up, it almost, you can see that it's fluffy. There's actually a transition between this point and that point where it's higher up. And again, this is the kind of stuff that would be very, very difficult to host because you would have no idea here on the ground the utter astonishing geometric precision that this formation actually has when seen from the air. It's on a sloping hill. There's just no way that you could have seen how amazing this is. And unfortunately, our group has gone a couple tractor lines too far over. We see some of our group down there. They might have to go all the way around, unfortunately, to get back over here. Because we don't want anybody cutting over the line. But in this case, you can see a very small group of crops here that actually represents the edge of this big curving line that comes to a point. You can see how precise this is. And again, that triangular point over there, same thing. So this does appear to be the center of the vortex. Certainly feels, you can feel that there's a profound energy here because this is where it all centers. This is where all the whole formation transitions into. So we'll stop here for now and we'll come back later on.